Welcome to QuizRad, the best place for fun, interactive quizzes. In today's video, we'll dive into the mystery of verb tenses, past, present, and future. With 30 questions ahead, you'll have 10 seconds to answer each one. This quiz will challenge your understanding of continuous, perfect, and simple tenses and help you correct common mistakes. Whether you're an English learner or just looking to brush up on your grammar skills, this quiz is perfect for you. Grab something to track your answers and let's explore the world of verb tenses together. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to QuizRad in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Let's go! Choose the correct sentence that describes an action happening right now. The cat is chasing the mouse. Or, the cat chases the mouse. You are amazing! You got it! The answer is A. Which sentence correctly uses the future perfect tense? By 10 p.m., they will left the party. Or, by 10 p.m., they will have left the party. It's B. By 10 p.m., they will have left the party. Select the correct sentence that describes an action in progress in the past. I was reading a book when you called me. Or, I read a book when you called me. Yes, you got it. I was reading a book when you called me. It's memory time. Remember the positions of these images. Okay, now tell me, this image is on which number? Yes, you are right! Which sentence expresses a habit or routine correctly? She is going to the gym every morning. Or, she goes to the gym every morning. The answer is B. Choose the sentence in the present perfect tense. He has already finished his homework. Or, he has already finished his homework. It's B. He has already finished his homework. Identify the sentence in the past perfect tense. She had visited Paris before moving to London. Or, she visited Paris before moving to London. It's A. She had visited Paris before moving to London. Which sentence uses the future continuous tense correctly? I will be sleeping when you arrive. Or, I will sleeping when you arrive. Yes, you got it. The answer is A. It's gift time. Ready to get a surprise gift? Choose a number from 1 to 3 and let's see what you win. If you have selected gift 1, mention your favorite teacher name, and we will mention it in the next video. If you have selected gift 2, sorry it's an empty box. Better luck next time. If you have selected Gift 3, what's your English level? Would you say it's your mother tongue, something you've learned fluently, or just a language you understand a bit of? Let us know, and we'll mention it in our next video. Choose the correct sentence describing an action completed in the past. They have painted the house last summer, or they painted the house last summer. Did you get this one right? Let us know in the comments. Which sentence describes a repeated action in the past? He was playing soccer every weekend. Or, he used to play soccer every weekend. Did you get this one right? Let us know in the comments. Identify the sentence in the present continuous tense. We are watching a movie tonight. Or, we watch a movie tonight. Yes, you got it. We are watching a movie tonight. Did you know? The word set has over 400 definitions, making it the most versatile word in English. Depending on the context, it can mean a collection of things, to place something, to solidify, like jelly, and so much more. Crazy, right? Which sentence correctly shows an action expected to happen in the future? She will call her parents tomorrow. Or, she will calling her parents tomorrow. The answer is A. She will call her parents tomorrow. Select the sentence that uses the present perfect continuous tense. They have waited for the bus for an hour. Or, they have been waiting for the bus for an hour. Yes, you got it. They have been waiting for the bus for an hour. Which of the following correctly describes a general truth? The Earth is revolving around the sun. Or, the Earth revolves around the sun. Yes, you got it. The Earth revolves around the sun. Identify the sentence in the past continuous tense. I was cooking dinner when the doorbell rang. Or, I cooked dinner when the doorbell rang. The answer is A. I was cooking dinner when the doorbell rang. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. Which sentence uses the future perfect continuous tense? By next year, she will have been working here for 5 years. Or, by next year, she will be working here for 5 years. You are amazing! The answer is A. Identify the sentence in the future perfect tense. By the time we arrive, they will eating. Or, by the time we arrive, they will have eaten. You are amazing! The answer is B. Which sentence uses the correct past continuous tense? I was reading when the phone rang. Or, I am reading when the phone rang. The answer is A. I was reading when the phone rang. Can you guess the odd one out? Yes, you found it! Choose the sentence that demonstrates an action happening right now. She is writing a letter. Or, she writes a letter. The answer is A. She is writing a letter. Which of these sentences is in the present perfect tense? They already left the building. Or, they have already left the building. You are amazing! The answer is B. Identify the sentence that describes a repeated action in the past. He is bringing flowers to his grandmother. Or, he would always bring flowers to his grandmother. Did you get this one right? Let us know in the comments. Which sentence correctly shows an action that will be in progress in the future? At this time tomorrow, we will be flying to New York. Or, at this time tomorrow, we will flying to New York. Did you get this one right? Let us know in the comments. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? The English language is the most spoken language in the world. Yes, you are right. It's false. While English is widely spoken and serves as a global lingua franca, Mandarin Chinese has the highest number of native speakers worldwide. Choose the sentence in the past perfect continuous tense. He was waiting for hours when she arrived. Or, he had been waiting for hours when she arrived. It's B. He had been waiting for hours when she arrived. Which of these sentences describes a general truth? Water is boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. Or, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. It's B. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Identify the sentence in the simple future tense. We will start the meeting at 10 a.m. Or, we will starting the meeting at 10 a.m. The answer is A. We will start the meeting at 10 a.m. Would you rather teach English as a subject for the rest of your life, or never be able to speak a word of English for the rest of your life? Choose the sentence in the future continuous tense. She is studying at the library this evening. Or, she will be studying at the library this evening. It's B. She will be studying at the library this evening. Which sentence correctly demonstrates a completed action in the past? They finished their homework last night. Or, they have finished their homework last night. Yes, you got it. The answer is A. Select the sentence that uses the present perfect continuous tense. I have been working on this project for 2 weeks. Or, I've worked on this project for 2 weeks. It's A. I have been working on this project for 2 weeks. Can you guess the famous person by emoji? Yes, it's William Shakespeare. Identify the sentence in the past perfect tense. They have already left when we arrived. Or, they had already left when we arrived. It's B. They had already left when we arrived. Which of these sentences uses the simple present tense? She is walking to school every day. Or, she walks to school every day. Yes, you got it. The answer is B. Choose the sentence in the future perfect continuous tense. By the end of the year, he will living here for a decade. Or, by the end of the year, he will have been living here for a decade. Did you get this one right? Let us know in the comments. Quiz complete! How's your English expertise? Share your scores in the comments. Ready for more linguistic challenges? Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and get set for new quizzes and wordplay wonders. See you in the next one!